Recording now. We're recording now, so I'm gonna move this a little, just where I can reach it, you know, and where I could be able to talk and and just say multiple things, you know, with the same signal. I'm gonna go to Gelato, one of my actually. So we're gonna do a quick video on how to mix vocals, how to mix the beat, how to turn the compressor on, how to turn the reverb on, and just little things, little presets that you need to know. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is turn everything on mute. Right, go back up, go back to my beat, and just play it real quick. We got it at 0 0. I'll leave it there. It's usually on the channel EQ already, so I turn that off and I go to compressor. How to find compressor? Let me show you. Compressor, you go on dynamics and then you find compressor right there. You turn on, you click stereo, and I have it right there, which this will pop up. I already have a preset right here. These are my presets. You can kind of find your own preset. I would say the best preset that's already on there, that's a stock-in plugin, would be the Platinum Analog Tape. I would say start with that. Just start with that. It's just a basic compressor, and what I do is turn my limiter on. My threshold is it's always at 0, so my ratio is always at 8.0. My threshold is always at 0.0. My makeup, I could turn that on slowly by slowly at 0.5. You know, turn it down. My input 0.0, my output 0.0. So that's what I have right now. Now we are going to start with the intro. These two are my intros. So what I'm gonna do, here's my beat, here's vocal 1, actually intro 1, here's intro 2. This song's already mixed and mastered, so I'm gonna just show you basics. Intro 2. Okay, so we're gonna play that with the beat. As you can see, it's only those two. You feel me? And then the rest right here is just my, let's say vocal strip 1, vocal 1, and this is vocal 2, vocal second, you know, vocal second, you know. These are my ad-libs right here, and I believe I got a second ad-lib down here. It's just a lower, it's on 1.0, this one's on 2.0, so ad-libs 2.0. You don't have to put 2.0, you can just put ad-libs 2, you know. I just put 2.0 to let me know. This is I guess my outro. Yeah, this is nigga. If I play out here and just play these two, unmute those. You can't hang outro. You can't hang outro 2. So what I have is you can't hang outro 2, you can't hang outro, you know. This is nigga out. I could just put nigga out, you know. For me, I just think of these as effects. So effects, you can find effects plugins anywhere, just like transitions. I just think of those as transitions and anything like that's how I mix. Just would make it easier for my mental state of mind, you know. Because I make beats. I'm a beat producer and engineer. Producer, I'm a beat maker, everything, man. All right, so what I have here. All right, so now we're gonna go to the. All right, that was compressor that I have. You kind of know how to do compressor, so I'm gonna do that again. Ratio 8, threshold 0. Your knee is actually gonna go to 1.0, so all the way to the end, back here. Actually, your knee's just at 1, right? And your attack is always going to 200, always to the right. Your release is always to the all the way left. And I have a distortion, so that makes it even louder or distorted a little. So like bit crusher, like ampish, so more ampish. I would say I could turn it off, put it soft, hard. Right now I have it on hard. My threshold is at 0. My output is 3.0, and my input is 1.0. And my makeup is 0.5 for, seems like for the intro. So what I have right here for my verse, it's a different story. 3.0, 3.0, 3.0. Ratio 8, threshold 0, limiter on, and my distortions are hard, platinum analog tape. I already have that as a preset. That's in the same thing. My ad-libs are a little bit different now. So as you can see, I have this one at 3.0. So that's my 3.0 dB. That's where my volume's at for my vocal number 1. Let's go to ad-libs. That's at 2.0. You see that? It's the difference. You can kind of hear the difference as you mix, as you put everything solo without the beat. So if you mute the beat right here, and you go right here.
I go fuck your bitch like what I do. That bitch stuck, she be all gorilla glue. You keep kissing on that bitch like what you do. I got 4 hours, they cooking on the stove. I be tripping off this fucking at the ball. Police call my phone, then I hung my phone up. Hello, live my life so risky, gotta keep my head. Since legit, I was called a vagabond. Been on my soul shit like you ain't know. I'm in Cali, no, I'm not in Cali, smoking big dog. You can't.
We're gonna play the whole track. I forgot one thing. So 2 things actually. My reverb, I got how to find your reverbs. Reverb right here. So I'm on platinum reverb, so I just click that. Bang. And I actually just edit as I go. Less wet 30% at wet. It's dry 100%. My reverb 69. It's all the way, just mess with it. Room size is 172 meters, pre-delay 10 meters per second. Room shape is 7. So that's a big difference. Your room shape and wetness, DeEsser, I already have a preset. So Mobanga is one of my friends. He came in and recorded when I first got my mic. I'm sorry about that, guys. And I already have a preset for Mobanga. So what you can do is how to find that. You mess with your frequency, your sensitivity, your other frequency on your suppressor and your detector, and your strength. And then your monitor is to detect your activity right here. So your monitor, my monitor is off, but if I put sensitivity, it won't turn orange, because I already have. That bitch did turn orange. Yeah. Right there. And then so what I do at the end after I have all my presets plugged in, how to save this is save channel setting as right here, and green exam label reverb. So cancel that. That's how you do that. You just save it. And then my outro stereo, so I have it at 3.0. So my outro stereo 1 and stereo output 2. This is stereo output 1. If you change this to 1, look, it goes back to stereo. This is mono, which creates 2 circles, one right here and one right here. Just so y'all can see that. One right here, one right here. I have it at 3.0, 3.0, and I have my master volume. As you can see, master 3.0. So, and what I do to bounce this and save this, I save this as, right here, save as. If you ride me, there you go, put it under desktop or logic, you know, or anywhere you want to. So I'm gonna cancel that, I already have it saved. How you bounce this is project or section. Click that. You can either do wave file. This is wave. Wave is just more standard, it's more high quality. I can say you can convert it to MP3 at this point, but once you get a beat, you always want a beat to have to be wave file. As you can see, this beat wasn't wave file. Let me show you. This beat wasn't wave file, it's MP3. This is MP3. You could tell it's MP3. You can't kind of tell, but you would know once you it shows you. And what you need is just higher quality with waves. So you bounce this. I'm gonna just do MP3. So make this quick and easy. MP3, 80 gigabytes. That's what I have right now. 160. I double click that. Make sure it starts at one beginning in your end time all the way at the end. You see 113 right there. It says 117, so that looks exact. I got like 3 seconds right after my video, so what I do is just press OK. That's it. If you ride me bounce, I'm not gonna bounce it because I already got it bounce. So once you after you got it bounce, it will be on your desktop just like this. This is just something I downloaded earlier, but if you ride me, is somewhere around here. See me? Let me see if you can find it. If you ride me, find if you ride me. Whoever, here's fuck 'em. These are all KG Smokey disses too. And like there you go, ride me. See, it's right there. So, and if I play right here, see, feel me? So that's how you mix, and you know, you that's how you mix. That's how you. I would say that's how you get that good sound. That's if I was you, I would. That's how I mix my mixtapes. I've recorded and mixed one mixtape ever since I got my equipment last year. Several months ago, 3, 4, 5 months ago, I just recorded one mixtape called Green Eggs and Ham. I really think that is like just if you have these 3 simple presets, the compressor, you don't even need channel EQ. Compressor does everything. I would say you need EQ for mastering. That's a whole different video, so I'm not gonna go to that. This is just mixing, rough mixing. If you want something to play back in your ears, send it to a few friends for a few feedback. You feel me? This is the way to go. You just need DeEsser, a reverb, and a compressor. That's what I would say. 1 or 2 DeEssers. Actually, 1 DeEsser. You gotta have that preset, find your activity, and your user detector. And your DeEsser is just basically getting that P's and the pss, all those sounds. That I could say pussy. You know, I'm saying that so loud, but the mic, I got a DeEsser on as I'm recording, so you know. Alright, so I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. This is the new video for how to do a rough mixing on YouTube for any type of music on Logic Pro X. Please subscribe, give a likes up, comment on any questions on what you have. I can reply under your comment on just to reply under anything on how to do something if you don't necessarily get 100%. So please hit me up, message me, subscribe. We're just gonna go in the next video. I'll let you guys know. I'm just gonna start putting out more videos every day, every week till I get these subscribers up. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.